Okay, then channel I can say group, any number you can give, press question mark, you can make group up to 1 to 48. I can use anything, I will use 1 here. Then mode and press question mark here. What mode you need? If you see here we are doing PAGP, so only these two mode we can use, auto or desirable. If you use here auto, here should be desirable, both should not be auto. So here I am using auto. Okay, so EtherChannel form here, if you see this EtherChannel form here, but it go down because only one side we configure, other side we did not configure, that's why it is down. So now I will go to the other switch, I will do the configuration here. I will go here, enable config T, host name SW2, then interface range, I will select E0 by 0 dash 1. Okay, then I will write here switch port trunk, encapsulation .1q, switch port mode trunk. After that channel protocol PAGP we are using, channel group number I use 1, here I can use anything that is locally significant. Mode here I should use desirable. That's all. So now EtherChannel form and we can check here. So now we make the bundle and you can see this go up, and here also you can see it go up. Before it is done, now we form both the side EtherChannel, so it go up. Now you can save the configuration and you can write show EtherChannel summary and you can see here. So these are the command we are using to check the EtherChannel it is formed correctly, or if we have any issue we will check with this command. So when I write here show EtherChannel summary, you can see here this is a group, we use group 1 and this is a logical interface. You have capital S. If you have capital S means layer 2, that will be layer 2. And capital U, what is that capital U? In use, means it is working. And which protocol we are using? We are using PAGP. And whatever ports I am using in this multiple, like this is a logical interface. In this one, whatever the physical interface I have this two physical interface. These two physical interface I have. So you can see this is the one, this is another one. And inside that one you can see here we have P, capital P. Capital P means port in bundle. Okay, bundle in port channel means it is working perfectly. If you have any issue, you will have maybe small s, that is suspended, or maybe you have I if you have issue. But if P is there means everything is perfect. And you can write here like show spanning tree and check here. You can see you are getting this port. Okay, STP working for this one. Whatever port we taken here, P of 0 by 0, E of 0 by 0 and E 0 by 1, that two port is removed and it came here in this one. So we can say because STP is treating this two port as a one port, logical one port, that's why he is not going to block, both the port will work. You can go here and you can check here also, same thing you will come, you will write here show EtherChannel summary, and same thing here, this one capital SU, capital S means layer 2, U means in use, and this will be PAGP, and this two interface is working. P means bundle in port channel, so it is working perfectly. And what else we can do here, like if you want to check more detail, you can write some more comments also. Show EtherChannel detail we can write to get more detail here. And also there is some more show command we have, like we can write show EtherChannel port channel, and we can check with this also. But mostly we will use this command show EtherChannel EtherChannel summary. Okay, so here we don't have any issue. So this way we will do. This is a PAGP lab. Same thing you can do in packet tracer also. Here example, here we have these two switches, and here we can say this is a switch 1, and here we can say switch 2, and we already wrote the configuration, so we can copy paste. Here just check what port we are using. So I will enable the ports here, and you can see here F0 by 1, F0 by 2. So here only I will modify F0 by 1, F0 by 2. So I will write here F0 by 1 dash 2. Okay, and same thing here also you have F0 by 1. So I will go here, I will put this also here, and this is a layer 2 switch, so no need for this command here, and all other thing remains same. Okay, so I can paste this in this switch. Let me go inside this CLI of this switch and I can paste here. Let me paste here and check everything is working perfectly, no issue, nothing here. And I can take this notepad, I will copy paste this inside this one. I will go inside this switch and I can paste here, and you can see here everything is working, no error, nothing here. And after some time you can check show ether channel summary, and same thing, this is a logical interface, the new one. Capital S means this is layer 2 ether channel we configure, U means in use, means working, and which protocol we use, and these two interface we use, we bundle these two to make one logical, and P means in port channel, so it is configured perfectly. And what else you can do, and you can see here I will remove this ports label, so you can see all become green. Before, if you remember, before the one port will be blocked, now it is not blocked because these two logical interface, because this two physical interface become one logical interface, that's why STP is not blocking that one. Okay, and if you want to check, you can write here show IP interface brief, and you can see here this is the port. Okay, this is a port, logical port, these two port mix, and now we have only one port. So they can do the load balancing, like if you have any PC here, if you have one PC here, if that PC is sending some data from here to here, this will go with this one, and also if you have another, so that will go same time, both PC data can go, one they will use this link, another PC data will go from this link, so they will do load balancing. Some data will go from here, some data will go from here, so you will have more speed, like same time you are sending more data. If you have only one link, you need to wait for other data to go, after that you will send. But here now both links are active, so some data will go from above. Example, for this PC1 data will go from the above link, and PC2 data will go from the below link, because they are sending same time. Okay, so what we can say, ether channel is a technology. How we can define in the theory? In the theory it is simple, in your own words you need to define. It is not that much tough, just you need to remember ether channel is also known as link aggregation. Link aggregation. Aggregation. Ether channel is also known as link aggregation. And what you can say, ether channel is a technology which allow us to make the multiple physical interface into single logical interface. So STP will not block this link. So with this one, ether channel can increase the bandwidth and provide the redundancy by aggregating the individual link of the switch. So we can do the load balancing. We can say ether channel will do the load balancing over all the link bundle, and it can be configured in the layer 2 switch like we done just now, or we can configure in layer 3 switch or in router also. Maximum we can take 8 interface here. Now I taken only 2, but up to 8 you can take. If you have more, you need to make like this is one port, one ether channel you will configure, and remaining 8 you will configure another if you want to make, because you cannot make the bundle more than 8. So 8 you need to remember, maximum we can do ether channel to 8 physical interface, like that we need to remember.